So in this video, I will explain how to solve the ordinary differential equation of first order first degree by using Taylor series method. First, we'll see what is the equation or the question. So consider dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y with a condition y of x naught is equals to y naught. A differential equation along with the initial condition is given. Now we have to find y at a given value of x. The Taylor series formula is given by y of x is equals to y of x naught plus x minus x naught into y1 of x naught plus x minus x naught in whole square divided by 2 factorial into y2 of x naught plus x minus x naught whole cube divided by 3 factorial into y3 of x naught plus x minus x naught to the power of 4 divided by 4 factorial into y4 of x naught and so on. See, I have written the Taylor series formula up to fourth derivative. This dy by dx will be given. So dy by dx equals f of xy and initial condition y of x naught equals y naught will be given. So using this dy by dx, that is y1, we have to find y2, y3, y4. Means when we differentiate this y1, we'll get y2, y2 derivative will give us y3 and y3 derivative will give us y4. And all these derivatives must be found at the value x naught. So now I'll explain this with an example. So how to find the or how to solve a differential equation with using the Taylor series method. So the question is find find the value of y. So value of y at x is equals to 0.1 by Taylor series method given dy by dx equals x square plus y square and initial condition y of 0 is equals to 1 by considering the terms up to third degree. Means we have to find out the derivatives up to 3. So now I will take the given equation, whatever given it is given. So dy by dx is equals to x square plus y square. Y of 0 equals 1 means this 0 is x naught. So x naught is 0 and y naught is 1. What we have to find? We have to find the value of y at x is equals to 0.1. Now dy by dx means it is y1. y1 is equals to x square plus y square. Now I will find out the y1 of x naught. So y1 of x naught, what is x naught? X naught is 0. So here I'll instead of x, I will substitute 0. And what is y? Instead of y, I will substitute y naught. Y naught is 1. So 0 square plus y1 square will be 1. So therefore, y1 of x naught is 1. So we got the first derivative value. Next, move on to the, you can take this equation as 1 and differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. When you differentiate, it becomes, or you can take this as 1, this as 1. So it becomes y1 derivative is y2, x square derivative is 2x, y square derivative is 2y. Because we are differentiating with respect to x, so you have to write y1. Next, y2 at x naught. So what is y2 at x naught? That is x is same, x naught is 0 plus 2 into y means it is y naught is 1 and y1 is just now we got that is 1. So therefore this will be what? 0 plus 2. So we got 2. So therefore y2 of x naught is 2. The second derivative at x naught is given by this. So again, now you take this as equation 2 and differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. So y2 derivative will be y3 and 2 into x derivative is 1. 2 into here we have to apply the UV rule. 2 into y into y1 derivative is y2. Y into y1 derivative is y2 plus y derivative is y1 into y1. So what we will get? 2 into 2y into y2 plus 2y1 into y1 will be, it becomes y1 square. So therefore, now y3 at x naught, y3 at x naught is given by 2 as it is, 2 plus 2 into y means it is y naught is 1, y2 just now we got that is 2 plus 2 y1 square, y1 is 1 so it will be 1 square. So what is the answer? This will be 2 plus 4 plus 2. So what you will get? It is 8. So y3 of x naught. Y3 of x naught is 8. So we got all the three derivatives because in this example it is told that you have to consider up to third degree. So now I will write the Taylor series formula. Y of x is equals to y of x naught plus x minus x naught into y1 of x naught plus x minus x naught whole square divided by 2 factorial into y2 of x naught plus x minus x naught whole cube 3 factorial into y3 of x naught. Now we have to find what? We have to find the value of y at x is equals to 0.1. Now substitute the values. So what you will get? So y of 0.1 is equals to y of x naught. This is nothing but initial condition y naught, that is 1, plus x is 0.1 and x naught is 0 into y1. Y1 is 1 plus again x 0.1 x naught 0 whole square divided by 2 factorial is 2 into y2 is 2 plus again x 0.1 x naught 0 whole cube 3 factorial is 6 into y3 is 8. So use the calculator now and find its value. So therefore it is y of 0.11 will be 1.1113. So this is how we'll find out the uh, solution of the given equation by using the Taylor series method. Taylor series means you have to find out the derivatives at the given initial condition and then you have to calculate. Apply the Taylor series formula and calculate it. Thank you.